Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming root and making a full backup. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, enable USB debugging and install either a terminal emulator or prepare ADB on your PC. Next, decide whether to modify the system hosts or use a systemless Magisk module. Make the partition writable now. Remount /system read write or prepare a systemless module folder because you need direct write access to replace or append the hosts file immediately. Now you fetch a trusted hosts block list and merge it into the active hosts file. Use curl or wget to pull the list, then either cat new host /system /etc/hosts or move the file into /data/adb/modules /addaway/system /etc/hosts for a systemless install. After writing, set ownership root and chmod 644. Make sure SE Linux context matches nearby files or use Magisk to restore context. This blocks add domains at DN. Finish by remounting /system read-only and rebooting the device so changes take effect. After reboot, open your browser and apps to confirm ads are gone, and use ping or curl to test known ad domains to ensure they resolve to 127.0.0.1. If apps misbehave, clear app caches, then restore your backed up hosts file or uninstall the module. Key troubleshooting tip: if network problems appear, revert to the backup hosts immediately and restore correct permissions and SE Linux contexts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.